I was in the Army, I knew.
Going for the big shot. Can you make it or not? Going ham with Superman. You too glad, man.
All right, so this week it's a little slow week. So I don't got too much going on. I got some stuff in the works, for the rest of this year, but nothing really shaking too much this week. So I just thought I'd bring out some of our old favorites I hadn't shot in a while. My G-Force AR-12. If you don't know, this is an AR style 12 gauge semi-auto shotgun. It's mag fed. We got the 10 round extendeds for it. We got the 5 rounder that came with it, and also one of the favorites, the 20 round drum, and it'll actually feed in to the AR-12 as well. But for my loyal subscribers, this thing, first time I shot the 20 rounder, it's stuck in here too. Doesn't like to come out easy. But there we go. It might be a good thing. We don't need a 20 round drum falling out of the shotgun while it's kicking, because that thing does. 12 gauge shells are all gonna kick. But I think best shots came out of this Panzer BP-12 here. But yeah, I'm a big shotgun guy. Like Denzel said in training day, I'm lethal with this Jake. Like you don't want to see me with my shotgun buckshots, bird shots, and then definitely not any slugs. Yeah, make sure that's in there secure. And then that's the 20 rounder and the bullpup. I do got the pump action, but I just wanted to go with my semi-autos today. So like I said, it's a light video, just some fun. Hadn't shot the 12 gauges in a while, and wanted to just get out with them. So enjoy the footage. I'm out.